If unit conversions confuse you, you only need this one setup. You always put the unit you want on top and the unit you have on the bottom. For example, we know that 12 inches equals 1 foot for my American viewers. If we're given 3 inches and we want to convert that to feet, we can use our formula. I will rewrite it on the side. Here, we are given 3 inches, and we want feet. So which unit goes on the top? Well, according to our formula, it's feet. And inches will cancel. If you do this right, you should get 0.25 feet. The most important thing that you should take away from this formula is that the fraction you use in this part of your conversion must equal 1. For the example I showed above, I put 1 foot over 12 inches, which equals 1. 12 inches over 1 foot also equals 1. The value doesn't change, but the units do. Let's start simple. I'm given 3.85 centimeters, and I want the length in inches. Now, according to our formula, we multiply by a certain value. Now, this conversion is worth memorizing, but your professor might give it on the exam. But which one do we put on the top? Well, in this case, we're given centimeters, and remember to put the given on the bottom, and the wanted on the top. Use the fraction that equals 1, which is this one. And if you do this value on your calculator, you should get about 1.52 inches. That's it. And these units cancel. Exact same idea here. I'm given inches, and I want centimeters. So now, we can use our formula. What conversion factor can we use here? Well, it's the same one as before, centimeters to inches. We know that 2.54 centimeters equals 1 inch. But remember that this is our formula. Because the given units are opposite to each other and they cancel. Using this formula, we want centimeters. Now if you do this on your calculator, you should get that the inches cancel, and that gives me about 19.05 centimeters. Exact same process. Now this one looks trickier, but it's the same method. We just do it in steps. Here, I would like to introduce a new formula to you. The given units are still opposite to each other, and they still cancel. This is just in the reverse order, and we get 1 over wanted. We need to use this formula because our given units are in a fraction form. and we will have to convert the hours to seconds. Now, these conversions will probably be given to you on the exam. For this problem, we can convert hours to minutes to seconds, but in this case, I'm going to convert straight to seconds just for efficiency. But please realize that both are possible. So using our new formula, we're given that 65 miles in 1 hour. We can first convert the miles to kilometers. And we know here in our conversion that 1.609 kilometers is equal to 1 mile. Now here we can use our new formula because the miles cancel out and we're left with kilometers per hour, but we want kilometers per second. So we know that this is our given. Now what do we place in the numerator here? Instead of placing the wanted, we also place the given. And we place the wanted in the denominator to get 1 over wanted. Now here we're given that 1 hour equals 3,600 seconds. And we're given 1 hour in the bottom as well. So 1 hour equals 3,600 seconds because we want kilometers per second. Now if you do this on your calculator, we know that hours cancel. You should get 0.029 kilometers per second. If you take away one thing from this video, it's where these units cancel, and this fraction is equal to 1. You don't need to memorize anything. Just follow this rule every single time.